Okay, when you are trying to open the camera from your mobile browser, uh, they're showing this issue. So how to fix it? So follow me to fix it within 1 minute. So I'm clicking on this camera icon and they're saying this site can't ask for your permission. That's me. I given the camera permission in the settings, but still the browser can't uh, find a way to open the camera, right? So to open the camera, click on this icon here and you can see that camera blocked permissions. Click on it and turn on camera, allow it, and you can see now this will work. I'm clicking on take photo, clicking on capture, and you can see I can take the photo now, no problem with my permission now. So hopefully you can solve this by following my trick. To solve this, you can solve this within a minute. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to get more informative videos. Thanks.